Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you are. Welcome back to another edition of Solve. Today we have a 2022 Kia Niro Hybrid. And the problem today was the washer pump assembly had failed. And after replacing it, because it got burned out, because some vermin got into it. And I only figured that out after getting into it a little deeper. And the hose, as you see from the pump, goes along here, but along the coolant tank into this compartment, this little peripheral here. Then we took off the weather stripping here, and you have these little plastic things. Oops, sorry, there you go. And what they do is they sit flush like this, and then you push down in the center, and then they pop. And then you have these caps here, two of them for the wiper motor, which I used the pick for. And now we're going to remove the wipers with a 14 millimeter. Right. And what I like to do is take a marker and mark the 12 o'clock position here, and then do it right here on the stud, so that way you know exactly where it goes. And do the same thing for here. That way it lines up, because there are little teeth, which I'll show you in a moment after we get it off. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold this while taking it off. Hang on, I got an idea. Alright, so now we can try. So what you do is you bring first of all, you turn the key, you push the button on, turn the wipers, and then hit the button once the wiper blades are straight up and down. And you just tilt the arm like this, and you gently negotiate it off. A lot of times you have to use a special press. This one just came off. So it's that easy. So you got to take off both. And of course, check your wipers to see if now is a good time to replace them. Just give it a little wiggle back and forth. It comes right off. Fortunately, we're not done. Don't mix up your passenger from your driver's side, because it's very, very different. Okay, so now, excuse me. Now that we got that up, you have these two corner pieces right here. They go one on each side. And then you take this and you bring it up like that, and then out of the way. Pretty simple. Also, I put the nuts back on the wiper motor, which now you can see the transmission armature here. There's your wiper motor should you need access to it. But the problem lies over here. Way underneath, where we see this has been chewed beyond belief. Oh my God, they went to town on this. Alright, so we're gonna have to get some more hose. Off to the auto parts store. Alright, so we're back here once again. We're gonna replace this hose here. And this hose, we're just gonna replace this probably about a foot there. There's your Y splitter right there. Go over all the rest of the hose. Look at that. Wow, I almost missed that, so I got to get more hose now again. Thanks for watching another edition of Solved. I'm pretty sure at this point you know what to do. Put it back together in reverse order. It would be this piece first. Again, articulate it facing down. Then reinstall the wiper arms off the marked areas, and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching another edition of Solved. Please subscribe, like, follow, and share if you know anybody that this might help. And stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day.